Today was a bad day. Today, the torsion spring on the garage door opener snapped in two, right there. Now the garage door is too heavy to open it. Garage door opener can't open it, it's too heavy. So, went to the hardware store, got me a pulley right there. I ran a rope down through the pulley, all the way down to the bottom of the garage door. Hooked it on right there. Ran it over through another pulley and attached a 50-pound bag of salt to it. Did that on both sides. Now the 100 pounds worth of salt is heavy enough to help pull the door open. Now that is some jerry rigging right there. Sweet.